Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to adjust map settings in Find My on iOS 18. First, open the Find My app on your mobile phone. Then continue it and tap on the map icon shown at the top. Now choose Display Satellite Imagery and select 3D View. After that, find your location and you can share it with your friends. In the next step, tap on Devices and you will see your device name. In Items, you can also add other items in that location. Here, you have to tap on Me shown at the bottom. You can allow the Share My Location option. Then reach the Settings app of your iPhone. Now tap on General and select the Language and Region option here. In the end, set your measurement system to metric and you're done. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.